Okay students, now let us see some of the examples related to the mirror formula as well as the magnification. Two formulas we have derived. Remember that I will mention these two formulas over here while just going through these questions. That 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, and the second one is m is equals to h dash by h or equal to minus v by u. Clear? So these are the formulas out there. Now let us do some of the examples. A convex mirror, which mirror? Convex mirror is used for a rear view on an automobile, has a radius of curvature. How much? 3 meter. How much? 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. I told you now why it is important. Why all these things, that is the position of the object, position of image, nature of image, size of the image, all these things are why important, because the question is like that. That is how we need to be considered and we need to be very carefully handle this problem. If you do a little mistake in the sign conventions, your entire answer will become wrong. For example, if the answer needs to be minus 30 and if you are getting plus 30, it's totally wrong. So while doing these examples, you need to take a lot of precautions. Okay, first of all, listen it very carefully. First of all, write down the given. What is given? Which mirror? Convex mirror. For convex mirror, focus is what? Focal length is a positive, radius of curvature is positive, all these things are positive. Let us write it down. Which sign we need to be mentioned? Come on, radius of curvature, that is capital R is given. How much? Plus 3 meter. Why it is plus? Because for convex, it lies behind the mirror. Okay, and distance measured right to the mirror is always measured in plus. Similarly, if a bus is located, now what is located? Bus. Bus is what? Object or image? Object. So object is denoted by what? V or U? U. So U is equals to how much? कितना आएगा U आपका? U होगा 5 meter. Now I told you that in both the cases either it is concave or convex, object distance is always minus. So U is equals to what? Minus 5 meter. Clear? हमें क्या निकालना है? Position. That is what? V has to be find it out. Nature as well as the size of the image. Clear? Let us do it now. How to do this? First of all, use the formula. What is the formula? 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What we wanted to calculate? We wanted to calculate what? V. Replace the values, that's it, and the sign. So then 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. What is the formula? Therefore, which could be written as what? 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. आपको जो वैल्यू निकालना है ना, बस उस वैल्यू को आप इक्वल में रख दो और उसका जो साइन है बस प्लस है तो माइनस बदल दो, बात खत्म हो. Clear? So 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now just substitute the values. 1 by v is equals to how much is the f? We don't have f now, but we have a relation. What is that relation? That is what? F is equals to r by 2. How much is that? That is 3 by 2 meter. This is what the f. Just take this value and substitute here. So therefore, f is equals to 1 by v is equals to how much is the f? Beta? F is how much? That is what? 3 by 2. So 1, 3 and this 2 will go into the numerator again. So it becomes what? 2 by 3 minus, what is the u? U is what? Minus 5. That is 1 divided by minus 5. So this minus and this minus becomes what? Plus. So which could be written as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now denominator is not common. You can make it common. How to do this? 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 13 by what? 15. The answer is what? 13 divided by 15. Clear? But V is what now? V is equals to 15 divided by 13 meter. Clear? This is what the answer. This is what the image distance. Is it plus or minus? Plus. Because from the formula, from the calculations we are getting the value is what? Plus. So V is plus, which means that the image is what? Virtual. As well as what? Erect. This is what a very simple answer we can able to write it down here. Now we wanted to calculate the, so we got the nature also. Clear? what is the position of the image? 15 by 13 meter. You need to be mentioned in theoretically also, okay, that the image of the image of the bus will be located at 15 by 13 meter. Whatever the decimal you will get, you just do it later on. Now size of the image. अब size of the image कैसे निकालना है? This is what the first one. Now the second one, size of the image. M is equals to what? H dash divided by H. H dash divided by H, which is written as what? Minus V by U. Now, what are the things we are having? Magnification निकालना है, हमें V है और U है. Can we calculate the M? Yes, we can calculate. How to calculate now? Therefore, M is equals to what? Minus V by U. So M is equals to, how much is the V beta? V we are having, that is what? 15 by 13. That is minus of this one. That is what? 15 divided by 13. And what is the value of U? Is minus 5. This is what the minus 5. So this minus and this minus becomes what? Plus 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So M is equals to what now? 3 divided by 13. And magnification has no unit because it is a ratio of same quantity. That is what I think I forgot to tell you, that magnification has no unit. So M is equals to how much? 3 by 13. What is the value? Plus. Now this 3 by 13, which means that it is less than 1 or greater than 1. Obviously it is less than 1. If it is less than 1, you just recall the table that I have given to you. If M is less than 1, then the image is what? Magnified, is same size or diminished. Obviously the thing what you are thinking is absolutely correct, that image size is what? That is the image is what? Diminished. Clear? So this is what all about, and this is the way to handle the questions whenever it is together. कभी भी याद रखना है आपको, जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ पर मेंशन की गई है वो वैल्यू आपको विद साइन फॉर्मूले में रखना है. क्लियर? वहां पर अलग और यहाँ पर अलग नहीं करना है. पहले विद साइन लिखना है और एज इट इज वैल्यू फॉर्मूले लिखना है, और बाद में जो भी चीजें होगी आपको वो निकालना है. सो पोजीशन कितना है आंसर आपको? Position is 15 by 13 meter. What the nature? That is the virtual and erect. What the size of the image? Size of the image is what? 3 by 13. That is what? Size is diminished. Size of the image is what? Diminished. That is what? Whatever the answer, 3 by 13. That is what the obviously plus. M is equals to what? Plus 3 by 13. Is it clear? Hope you are able to understand this. It's very good. Next problem. What is the next one? An object 4 centimeter in size. अब ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट दी गई है, कितनी है? 4 centimeter in size. Let us discuss about this. 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter. Which mirror? Concave mirror. मतलब this is what the object distance. This is the height of the object. Of focal length is also mentioned 15 centimeter. Clear? Now, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Which means that we wanted to calculate the image distance. In order to obtain a sharp image, हमें screen कौन से distance पर रखना है? Find the nature and the size of the image. Same form, same. But only the mirror has been changed. Let us do it now. Given data. How to write it down? Given data. What is given? First of all, write it down. Object height. Height of the object is given. H is equals to what? 4 centimeter. Then what is that? Object distance is given. Now height of object, the distance measured above the principal axis is what? Positive or negative? Positive. So can I mention here? H is plus 4 centimeter. Clear? Now is placed at 25 centimeter. Now what is mentioned? That is focal length or object distance is mentioned. That object distance I already had told you that U is equals to what? Minus 25 centimeter, because in concave and convex both are minus. Focal length is what? Minus 15. F is equals to what? Minus 15 centimeter, because it is a concave and the focal length lies in front of the mirror. हमें निकालना है image distance as well as the remainder thing, the same which we have done here. Let us do this using formula. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. है ना? Which can be written as 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Clear? So 1 by V is equals to what is the F? F value is given minus 15. So 1 divided by minus 15, and U is value minus 25. 1 divided by minus 25, minus plus. So 1 by V is equals to 1 divided by what? This is minus. This minus I have taken here, and minus plus 1 by 25. Clear? So this is a very simple. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now what should we do? Now make denominator common. That will become very easier for us. How to make the denominator common? Which can be written as 1 by v is equals to, denominators are common. How to multiply? What will be the LCM? That is 15 5 75. So then that can be written as 5 divided by 75 plus 3 divided by 75. This is what the common I have taken. So here what should we do now? Just do the calculation. 1 by v is equals to minus 5 plus 3 divided by 75. Minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. So 1 by v is equals to what? Minus 2 divided by 75. So that is v is equals to what? Minus 75 by 2. Which becomes how much? That is what? Near about 37 I think. 2 3s are minus 6, 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Minus 37.5 centimeter is the answer. So at what place should be the image, screen should be placed to obtain a sharp image? That image, that screen has to be placed at a distance of minus 37.5 centimeter. Clear? So we got the one answer. Now what is the second one? That is the nature and the size of the image. How to obtain the nature and size of the image? Let us see. So this is what, see, image distance is what? Clear? Obviously image distance is that is the negative, means what? It is real and inverted. Clear? Now to calculate the nature and the size of the image, we know what is the formula. M is equals to what? H dash by H is equals to what? Minus V by U. We don't have M. We have a V, we have U, we have H. We can calculate H dash. So therefore, H dash is equals to minus V into H divided by U. So let us do it now. H dash, I am going to do it here at this point. So that is what? H dash is equals to, what is the value? Minus as it is from this formula. V value is what? Minus 75 by 2. That is minus 75 divided by what? 2 into, what is the value of 2? Sorry, what is the value of H? Is what? 4. 175 by 2. Okay. And next one is what? U value. What is the U value? U is equals to minus 25. This is what? Here is also minus. Clear? Minus 25. So this minus plus, and this minus will be here. So H dash is equals to minus 2 2s are 4, 25 3s are 75. Clear? H dash is equals to how much? 3 2s are 6 centimeter. Means your H dash value becomes what, beta? Minus 6 centimeter. Minus 6 centimeter means what? Obviously it is greater than 1. 6 is what? Greater than 1. So the image is what? Enlarged. क्योंकि यहाँ पर कितना था इमेज आपका? 4 था. यहाँ पर कितना है? 6 है. Clear? So if you calculate the magnification, so it increase by twice. क्योंकि अगर magnification निकालोगे आप, H dash by H होगा. M कितना है आपका? H dash कितना है? That minus 6 और H कितना है आपका? 4 है. So M is equals to what? जो भी होगा आपका magnification, you can calculate easily. So this is what the thing. It is not necessary actually. So it is increased by what? Whatever the distance it is to be there and whatever the values that we are having here. This is how it is very important. Dear students, sometimes it becomes, see, ये बहुत आसान है जब तक आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे. क्लियर? याद में रखना, जब भी मैं यहाँ पर सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ तो आपको वहां पर पॉज कर इसके बारे में सोचना है कि ये माइनस साइन कहाँ से आ गया, प्लस साइन कहाँ से आ गया, और उसके बाद में आपको वहां से स्टार्ट करना है. तो जब भी मैं इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस या न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करता हूँ तो आपको बीच में उसको पॉज करना है. पॉज कर आपको इसके बारे में सोचना है और उसके साइन वगैरह जो है वो समझ कर लेना है. गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? इट्स वेरी गुड.